Namassarvebhyaha. Today I am very happy to present another set of my students. These students are from the Pokhrama Foundation Academy, which is an NGO which provides quality education to the kids of Pokhrama village, which is in Bihar. So initially I had shown you my students of Akshar Center for Education, where I worked as a Sanskrit teacher, but now I'm not working there because I moved out of Chennai. In the Pokhrama Foundation Academy, I am still working. I have been working there since 2021 and I take classes for them online. I think I'm the only teacher who takes classes online for them. All other subjects are offline. The kids of this Pokhrama Foundation Academy are first generation learners. That is, in their family, they are the first generation that is going to school and getting proper education. I take classes for grades 6, 7 and 8. I have weekly 2 classes per grade and each class is for 40 minutes. And I want to thank Dr. Anil Sethi ji and also all the staff of Pokhrama Foundation Academy for making the process very smooth, because the teachers sitting there are coordinating so well. I'm able to do it. And also I would like to thank my student Pragnya Ojha, and I hope you're watching this video. She is the one who recommended me to the management of Pokhrama Foundation Academy, and then they took me in as a teacher. So I would like to thank Pragnya Ojha Mahodaya for giving me this opportunity to teach these kids, to spend nice time with them, which I thoroughly enjoy. In this video, the students will be presenting the Subhashitas, and they'll also be explaining the meaning of the Subhashitas in Hindi. These Subhashitas are a part of their textbook. It is there in the NCERT textbook. Every class we recite the Subhashitas. First we begin the class reciting Subhashitas. So first, initially few classes I recite and then they repeat after me. Then later when it gets memorized for them, they recite together. And I also explain the meaning of every Subhashita. I tell the meaning and I ask them to listen to whatever I say and to write the meaning in their own words, in Hindi or in English, but they are more comfortable in Hindi, so they write it in Hindi. So whatever they are going to tell, whatever they are going to explain, it is their understanding of the Subhashita. I do not make them write the meaning word by word because my Hindi is not so good. And I teach them with my broken Hindi. In between, I don't get words in Hindi. Then I ask them and they tell me, and so I am learning Hindi from them. My Hindi is not very bad, but it's not very good also. And please do forgive their pronunciation mistakes. They are trying their best to give the best pronunciation. The thing is, I also want to let you all know the limitations. The Pokhrama village is a remote village in Bihar. They have lots of power cuts and many times the internet connection is also not there. So with whatever limited time I get, I teach them, and they also learn to the best of their abilities. So please forgive them also for the mistakes, and please forgive me also. I thoroughly enjoy teaching them. I have lots of fun with them online, and I hope you all will enjoy listening to their Subhashitas and the explanation of the Subhashitas. Please do shower your appreciations to them through the comment section below, and they will watch it.
चिंतन्या हि विपदाम आदा विर्भ प्रतिक्रिया न कूप खननम न युक्तम प्रदीप्ते वाहिना गृह। इस सुभाषितम का मतलब यह है कि हमें मुसीबत आने से पहले ही उसका हल सोचकर रखना चाहिए। इसका एक उदाहरण हम इससे ले सकते हैं कि जब हमारे घर में आग लग जाती है तो कुआं खोदने से क्या फ़ायदा।
विहाय पौरुषम शोहि देवमेवावलंबते प्रसाद सिंहवत् तस्य मूर्धनि तिष्ठन्ति वायसा। अर्थात जो व्यक्ति परिश्रम ना करके अपने भाग्य पर अवलंबित होते हैं वो महल की मूर्ति वाले शेर होते हैं और उनके सर पे कौवे बैठते हैं।
लुब्धस्य नश्यति यश पिशुनस्य मैत्री नष्टक्रियस्य कुलमर्थपरस्य धर्म विद्याफलं व्यसनिनः कृपणस्य सौख्यं राज्यं प्रमत्तसचिवस्य नराधिपस्य। लोभी का यश, चुगलखोर की मित्रता, जिनके कर्म नष्ट हो चुके हैं उनका कुल, धन को अधिक महत्व देने वाले व्यक्ति का धर्म, बुरी आदत वाले का विद्या का फल नष्ट हो जाता है।
विस्मो नाहि कर्तव्य बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा। अर्थात दान में, तपस्या में, सौर्य में, विज्ञान में, विनम्रता में और नीति में कभी भी किसी व्यक्ति पे आश्चर्य नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि पृथ्वी ऐसे अनमोल रत्नों से भरी हुई है।
सत्येन धारते पृथ्वी सत्येन तपते रवि सत्येन वाति वायुश्च सर्वं सत्येन प्रतिष्ठितम्। अर्थात सत्य से ही पृथ्वी धारित करती है, सत्य से ही सूरज तपता है, सत्य से ही वायु बहती है, सब कुछ सत्य पे ही निर्धारित है।
पुष्प पत्र फलच्छाया मूलवल्का दारुगीत धन्य महिरूहा ये शाम विमुखम यान्ति नाथिन्ना। अर्थात पेड़ बहुत धनी होते हैं, इनके पास जो कोई भी आता है खाली हाथ नहीं लौटता। वो पेड़ से उसका पत्ता, छाया, छाल, लकड़ी कुछ ना कुछ लेके ही लौटते हैं।
धान्य प्रगेषु विद्याय संग्रहेषु च आहारे व्यवहारे च तत्कलज सुखी भवेत्। अर्थात जो व्यक्ति धन, धान्य या खाना खाने समय, व्यापार करते समय, कुछ सीखते समय शर्मिंदा करता है, वो व्यक्ति जीवन में कुछ भी सीख नहीं पाता है। और जो व्यक्ति शर्मिंदा नहीं करता है वो व्यक्ति सुखी रहता है।
सद्वीरेव साहसित सद्वीकुर्वीत संगठितं सद्वीर्विवादं मैत्रीं च नासद्भीत किंचिदाचरेत्। अर्थात अच्छे लोगों से बात करनी चाहिए, अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहना चाहिए, अच्छे लोगों से दोस्ती करनी चाहिए, बुरे लोगों के साथ दोस्ती नहीं करनी चाहिए, बुरे लोगों के साथ रहना नहीं चाहिए और बुरे लोगों के साथ बातें भी नहीं करनी चाहिए।
जलमन्यं शुभासुतं मूढे पाषाण खंडेषु दह्यते। अर्थात पृथ्वी पर 3 रत्न हैं, अन्य जल, अच्छे वचन, लेकिन मूर्ख लोग पत्थर को ही हीरा समझते हैं।